Greetings, class, and welcome to Marketing 1190 Promotion and Marketing Communications. I'm your instructor, Mrs. Caldwell, and I wanted to go through some items in the course with you to just kind of get you familiar with everything, as well as my policies. First, we're going to start off in the announcement screen. This is a very important screen. As you can see, I posted an announcement that I'm your new instructor. So just look out for announcements from me, at least one weekly. So be sure to check this board often. Okay, next we will look at your syllabus and your no-show assignment. That is what you should be doing right now, is your no-show assignment to remain registered in the class. And your no-show assignment is due by January 22nd, so be sure to complete that by midnight on January 22nd to remain registered for the class. And what you want to do is do the Blackboard orientation video, review that, and then you will do the test as well, the quiz to complete the no-show participation assignment. And I believe that the test needs to be added. I will add it in here for you shortly. Okay. Also, I want to go through the course calendar and syllabus with you. So I will open that up. And my computer is very slow. I apologize. Okay, here we go. So this is information that is important from your syllabus. First of all, my information. I'm not on campus. I'm virtual now. This is your textbook that you need for the course. All this is found in your syllabus. In addition, other info I want to point out, it's very important to read your entire syllabus because it is your class contract. But you want to make sure that you note my policies. Assignments are not accepted late. All tests and exams should be taken within the assigned calendar dates. And the test makeups are at my discretion. And if you are allowed to make up a test, significant points may be deducted. So please ensure you turn your assignments in on time. In terms of evaluation for the class, there will be 2 tests worth 20%, a final worth 25%, which is also your proctored event, assignments worth 30%, and then quizzes worth 25%. Your lowest quiz score will be dropped. Now, also I want you to take note of your proctored event information. Proctored event will be on April 27th. It will be between these hours, and it will be via Respondus, our lockdown browser. And you want to make sure that you read this information about downloading the lockdown browser. Okay. Another important piece here is your course calendar. Please take note of your course calendar and the due dates. Due dates are Sundays at midnight. Please note that on discussion boards that you must make your initial post by Wednesday at midnight, or you will lose 10 points, and you must make your reply to your fellow students by Sunday at midnight, or you will lose 20 points. So it's very important that you create a post and also respond to your classmates for full credit on discussion boards. Also make sure that your discussion boards are thought-provoking and grammatically correct. You don't want to just say I agree or I disagree. You want to make sure that we're having some robust discussions that can spark conversations amongst us. Something else I want to make you aware of, I'm going to click out of the syllabus right now. Instructor contact information. This is how you reach out to me, and also a little bit of information about me. Course information. Here you will find a copy of this video as well as proctored event information. Now, course content. This is where you go to complete your modules and your assignments. So currently Module 1 is open, and you will see, you just click on the links, and note that if there is a quiz or a test that week, that it will only open up for that particular week during the dates that it is scheduled to be open. So, for instance, if Module 3 were open and there was a test in Module 3, you would not see that test until the week of Module 3 when it was open. Again, looking at Blackboard, if you look at your course messages and email, those are great ways to contact me. My Grades is where you will click on to see your grades in the course. And then Virtual Office. If we ever set up a virtual appointment in my office, then you will come to this virtual office and we can meet here virtually if necessary. If you have any questions on Blackboard, any technical support questions, please reach out to Blackboard support. If you have any questions on content or assignments, please reach out to me. I look forward to a great semester, and again, welcome to Marketing 1190.